I'll be hanging out here. Too much light. We gotta get the perfect amount of lighting. Oh, I screwed it. I screwed it. One more time. One more time. We got it. We got it. What do you want? I don't know why we have to really hate him. Why? What did you say? I don't know why they happen randomly, but I hit him. Let's go. Oh, one more. Don't look at me. Crazier eyes. One more. All right. Okay, now we. Woo! Now just keep holding your breath. One more.
Okay, really show your mouth.
All right.
Wait.
Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Keep holding your breath. Keep holding your breath. Keep holding your breath.
A little less. Yeah, that's perfect. So good. Yeah. A little to the right. To the right there. A little closer. Right there.
Good. Yep.
All right, let's unpack. Let's go in the car and watch. Ty, walk into the frame, and as soon as you enter, like this.
Yeah, alright.
Look, Con, ready? How's this gonna look?
Yeah, walk in.
Alright, what's the American?
Yeah.
Pissed.
I know.
You're pissed. We're pissed.
Go ahead.
Pissed, Con?
Look that way. Are you kidding me? You called a doctor for hiccups? Yeah, just like that. Stay looking at him the whole time, though.
Call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now.
Yeah, perfect. Call the doctor for hiccups? I could be doing surgery right now. I killed him, though. He got money.